Hi there! Welcome back to Herbs and Garlic, the place where we turn ordinary ingredients into extraordinary delights. I love sweet corn, but I miss them so much when it comes to winters. So today I'm showing you a recipe that I make with frozen corns and a couple more ingredients. We turn them into these delicious, warm, sweet pancakes, fritters. Call them what you like, but do give these babies a chance. So grab your aprons and let's get cooking.
Before we dive into the cooking process, let's make our batter. In a bowl, mix together half a cup of sweet corn, 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1.5 tablespoons of rice flour, and a teaspoon of baking powder. Now throw in those gorgeous bell peppers and mix well. Now let's flavor the batter with some spices, a pinch of salt, a dash of pepper, a teaspoon each of cumin and coriander powder. Now here comes the magic. Add milk in increments until you reach a lump-free thick consistency. Alright, we're ready to cook. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Grab a large spoon and scoop that mixture into small rounds. Flatten the tops with back of a spoon for even cooking. Let these golden beauties sizzle for 3 to 5 minutes on each side at medium-high heat. Look at that, perfection. Golden brown and crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside. Now let's plate these up. You can serve these with some yogurt dip. Whip some yogurt, chop cilantro, add in a dash of black pepper, cumin powder and a squeeze of lemon juice. Or if you want to keep things simple, serve it with some sour cream, which is my personal favorite as well.
Enjoy these as a warm breakfast or an evening snack. I am sure you're going to love it. As usual, share and tag me in your creations, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button below. See you in the next video. Ciao!